y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Gabrielle Morris and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing these some light Yaki clip-ins from Queen's Curls, and I will have the website linked down below in the description box along with the exact link to these clip-ins. So I only had one clip-in that I didn't install. They are double wefted clip-ins, which is really nice. So therefore, one set is pretty much all that you'll need for an entire head of hair. Also, they do have other hairs such as like tape-ins, micro-links, wefted hair, and etc. So what I have is the light Yaki silk press texture. Yes, so I have the 14-inch, and this is 175 grams of hair altogether. So yeah, it's really nice. It's soft. It's giving definitely natural hair vibes. Like, you can't even tell that this is not my hair. So these are the clip-ins that I'll be installing. This is the light Yaki silk press clip-in extension set, and I have a one bundle set as mentioned, and the price for these originally is $189.90, but the sale price is $179.90, and this is a 14-inch and 175 grams. So this is my hair. I blow dried and pressed my hair out. So this is the state. You guys see the growth. It has grown so much. So I'm taking the 3-piece clip-ins right here and just going to put them in the back of my head. Really depends on the size of your head. My head is really small in the back, so that's why I'm going with this one. And then I'm going to work my way up to the 6-piece clips, then the 4, and then the 2s. So this is a 10-piece set of clip-ins. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but it's definitely giving that relaxed natural hair type of texture. This hair is not going to get bone scraped because it is light Yaki. So yeah, but I enjoyed this hair. I didn't have any problems. My hair definitely blended well. So you just want to make sure that your clip-ins are secured as you're installing them, and by pulling out my hair and clipping it on that way, that's another way to make sure that it is secured for me. But I had no problems installing this hair. This hair is really nice. It blends well. I don't have any complaints. So now I'm just taking some gloss drops and I'm applying it to my hair, and I'm just going to flatten the bottom half of the extensions again just to make sure they are nice and pressed out. And then also I'm going to take some wax and apply that to my top leave out. Therefore, I don't have to press out my hair again, and pretty much that it stays in place. I love to use a wax stick for that so that I'm not tempted to use the flat iron. But I'm just going to style this hair, and I'm also going to show you guys how to put it in a ponytail as well as a bun. And yeah, so I'm just going to do like a low ponytail, low bun. One day I'm probably do like a middle or like a high bun or ponytail, but definitely for like when I don't know, because of this weather, I don't know if my hair is going to frizz or anything, so I definitely think just pulling it back into a ponytail for security, and just so like I'm not always moving my hair around and it isn't being a bother to me. Girl, first I'm going to do this bun. So all I did was just ponytail it, pull half of it up. You can leave this down and let it flap like in the middle. Some people like that look, like a banana clip or something, but it's not what I'm going for. So I'm just going to twist my hair around the scrunchie. And I have another scrunchie right here. So taking this scrunchie, and I'm just going to do it like that. Really cute and simple. And also you can even pull out some hair, girl. You know, we love to pull out the hair, the little sideburns, and voila, it's cute. It's giving I'm about to go studious. Ponytail, we're just gonna do the same thing. Keep those edges out, little sideburns, but this time just going to let it hang. You can bring it to the front. What else could you probably do with these clip-ins? So, oh yeah, so even here, I just took a few of the hair. I just lightly glazed my hand. And with this, I would use like a tiny rubber band or like a little clamp, like a little tiny clamp. And you can braid this part, or I got a little ponytail here, but I'm just going to use this little scrunchie. Y'all can make it look better. Like if I was actually going to wear it like this, I would definitely make sure it looked a little bit better. But you see how you don't see the tracks still? And it's giving half up, half down type vibes. So yeah, this is cute. This is real cute. I like that. Yeah, so this is cute. And I'm looking in the mirror over here, but yeah, so you can do all kind of things with this. If you wanted to do like a high ponytail or high bun, you would take out some of the tracks in the back, and instead you would flip them going upside down so that when you pull your hair up, you don't see the track and that you can actually pull it up without snatching your hair out. So yes, I really do love this hair. The texture is really nice. I have gotten minimum shedding. It's not I've gotten minimum shedding. It's not too bad. I've gotten compliments on the hair that it looks nice and good, and it blends pretty well. Like I said, the only thing I would say is just the color is the only thing that didn't give me that jet black color that I'm usually going for, but it's pretty much like a black 1B is what it's giving. But I like jet black hair. My hair is jet black, so that's what I needed. But I feel like that's the only downfall. Is that's one of the only cons that I would have to say is the that the hair doesn't color as well as I would have liked it to. It colors, but it isn't the best. To some of the shedding, but it's not like bad shedding. I didn't have hair everywhere, just minimal shedding, which I feel is normal for clip-ins or any kind of hair. I don't have anything, no tangles, no craziness going on. This is some really good hair. My hands are going through it, and yes, it looks so natural, and that's what I love about this. These clip-ins blend are really, really nice and good. Can you guys see that? Like, yes, they look really good. You probably cannot even see where my hair starts and stops. Also, I didn't, what you probably want to do in this video is like press your hair and the clip-ins together, but I'm trying not to get heat damage because I have some heat damage in the front from like sew-ins and other stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and learned something new today about clip-ins and different things like that. If you did, be sure to thumbs up this video, share it, comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!